And you do a lot of that in the game.
Me? Oh yeah, I'm gonna kill everybody.
Oh damn! It's a story game. I don't think you're supposed to do that.
No, thank you for the 20 gifted subs. What the
20
fuck?
subs, huge.
Damn, thank you, Mel. Thanks a lot.
Oh, Coots. Oh, Coots. What do you? Yeah, come on. W's fried.
Oh, Coots is there.
Yeah,
Coots is my
he was
favorite
messing with me
cat.
earlier.
Coots is my favorite cat. Oh, Coots.
Oh no, not my clothes, Coots.
Leave Coots alone. Let Coots do whatever Coots wants to do.
I am. But if he wants to come over here, I'm not going to say no.
Coots is a cute kitten.
This is super cute. I was trying to do some stuff earlier, and Coots was just not letting me do it on the PC. And I was like, damn, this is great.